the Gardener, and the 5th of February 2019 marks an extremely special day for me, because on the 5th of February 2009 I uploaded my first YouTube video. That was like 10 years ago. Oh my goodness, where has the time gone? I haven't been the most prolific poster, and well, not really anyway, but all I've been doing here is just sharing my love of growing vegetables and sharing my gardening journey. And my goodness me, I've come a long way since those early days, and I've learnt so much. And as part of that journey is sharing my new garden. Because a year ago, well, on the 19th of January 2018, we moved here beside the sea, and there was nothing here. And since then I have created a pretty cool flourishing veggie garden, if I must say so myself. It's pretty cool. There's 35 raised beds of varying sizes. There's a geodesic biodome that I have yet to glaze, but the glass is here, just not on it. We're getting a harvest. The harvest is not as great as it could have been because things have gone in a little bit later because I was too busy building. But it is a garden, and it is full of vegetables, and it's flourishing. So come and have a look. I'll show you what I've done. Oh, 10 years, my goodness. Come and have a look. Come on. Okay, so if we look at it from up here on the hill, the first bed's got brassicas, then there's peas, but they're pretty much finished. Tomatoes that had onions in it, now it's got popcorn. There's squash, there's my cut flowers, and then there's 2 small beds that have herbs in it. Okay, so the next row that had my overflow onions in it, like my red onions and shallots and things, it's still got leek in it. And then we've got zucchini, and then in the bed after the zucchini is my salad crops. Then that's the odds and sods, you know, all the unusual things like popcorn and peanuts and things like that. Then that one there is watermelons and rock melons, and then behind them is the sweet corn, and you can't really see, but behind the sweet corn is my peppers. Okay, so this one here has asparagus, and the one next to it had my garlic in it, and I want to put in a sneaky crop of painted mountain corn. Hopefully the weather will hold. And then beside that is my cucumbers and gherkins. Beside them is my leafy greens, which are sort of in between the summer seasons at the moment, and I need to resow for the cool season. And then beyond that is my beans, and then beyond that is actually full of spuds. And then the one beyond that is all my root crops like beetroot, carrots, parsnips and fennel. Okay, so on the other side of the dome you can see my rhubarb, my artichokes, my yams, my nursery bed, and this one was supposed to be my wildflower bed, but as you can see we're still putting the last loads of soil in it. So next season that'll be the wildflower bed. Okay, and here at the back of the garden is the last of the beds. Okay, so here and here are my pumpkin beds, and I decided to give them a lot of space in the middle so they could just creep in and not go everywhere I don't want them to go. Okay, so this one is blueberries, gooseberries, we've got red gooseberries, green gooseberries and Cape gooseberries, which is exciting. And then we have 2.5 beds of strawberries. So I've got 1 year strawberries, 2 year strawberries and 3 year strawberries. Well, they will be when I start rotating them through. And at the back of the strawberry bed is my red currants and black currants. Okay, so the bed at the very back, just in front of the chicken coop, is my raspberries and a blackberry that will eventually climb up. They went in late, so there's nothing to see for them at the moment. And on the other side, a bed was built just to balance things up, and I wasn't expecting it, so I'm just putting all my leftover flowers in there for now. And the chickens have a lovely 100 square meters to hang about in, and I'm planting fruit trees in there so that they will get shade. Exciting times. Okay, and so there you have it. That is the garden. It's pretty cool, eh? Well, that was a pretty cool overview of my garden. I did have to do some bushcrashing up the hills to get the shots for you. And now I am so hot. Oh my goodness me. This weather has been pretty intense. And so it's actually quite refreshing to be sitting here in the shade of my corn. But I really think I need to go inside now. So what I'll do is I'll leave you with a few images of the garden close up. And I'll put it out there. I promise mid-February I will do another video for you, more close up and personal, explaining what's going on. Hopefully the weather will be a tiny bit cooler by then. Hopefully. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and maybe we'll see you around in the next 10 years. Take care, bye bye.